Hello everyone, welcome to Dance with Namita. I am back with the new video of belly dance which is Omis. How to do Omi? Let's have a look. So let's learn this Omis today. How to do Omi? For doing Omi, we're gonna make 4 points with the help of our waist. So first point we'll make to the front side, second point we'll make to our left side, third point we'll make to the back side behind our hips, and fourth point we'll make to our right side. And then we'll connect these 4 points. So let's make 4 points with the help of our waist. We'll contract our belly in and we'll contract our belly out. So this is contraction 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice this first with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your knees should be bended down. Legs apart, hands besides your body. We'll contract our belly in and then out. So this is contraction in and contraction out. So for doing Omis, we'll make 4 points. 1, 2, back and to the side. So first we'll make a point to the front side, then the left side, then back and then right side. So we'll connect these 4 points and make a circle with the help of our waist. So this is Omis. So let's practice it one more time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we make a point, when we make a point to our front side, we'll bloat our belly to the front side, and when we go back, we'll push our hips to the back side like this. So let's practice it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's connect these 4 points together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Before doing Omi, make sure you practice this contraction of belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make sure you practice hip drops also. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 steps are very important to learn Omis. So, okay, we are done for the day. Let's practice this with music. So, we'll do these steps on music. So, get ready. First position of belly dance. Bend your knees down, hands to the side, and let's make 4 points. Let's do this step on music. We learned Omis today. So practice these Omis. Make sure you practice hip drops and contraction of belly before doing Omis. So practice it, learn it, and don't forget to share my video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.